Welcome to another video. In this video, you'll find out how you can record your PC or laptop screen with OBS on Windows 11 if you want to create tutorial videos. By doing the upcoming process, you'll be able to use OBS for not only Windows 11 or even Windows 10 if you're using it. For this, first of all, go onto your Google browser and search for OBS. Click on the first link. You will be given the option to download it for Windows, Mac OS or Linux. In this case, we're doing it for Windows 11, so click on Windows. And as you can see, it will start downloading the OBS Studio software for you. Once it's done, just open it up and this will be the installation onto your PC. Click on Next, choose the path if you want and click on Install. It will start installing. Now just wait for it to install and then click on Finish, which will boot up OBS for you. This is the main interface that you would be working with whenever recording your screen for your tutorial videos. In order to start recording it, you'd need to add in a source of display capture. To do that, click on this plus icon from the Sources tab, and from all the options you'll see, click on Display Capture. Click on OK, and you'll get this option. Now change the capture method from automatic to whatever Windows that you're using. I know it says Windows 10 here, but if you do it on your Windows 11, it will work. You can also leave it automatic if it does the work for you. Now from here you can use the display that you want. This is for the people who are using multiple screens, so you can choose which display that you want to record. Once you select all that, click on OK, and now you'll be able to see your screen in the OBS Studio. Basically, this is the whole part that will be recorded. You can zoom in, zoom out, or crop it if you want. Now in order to start recording, you can just click on the Start Recording button from the Controls tab and it will start recording for you. If you want to stream, you can just click on Start Streaming. You'd need to connect your YouTube account, your Twitch account, or wherever you're streaming to it. Once you're done recording everything, you can just click on Stop Recording in order to stop the recording, and your recording will be saved in your computer. Mostly the recordings are saved in the videos folder in Documents. If you don't see them here, just go into the File option and click on Show Recordings and it will take you to the folder wherever the recordings are saved. That is how you can use OBS in order to record your screen for tutorial videos in Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.